Here are the birds. Oh, they're going right and left. What are they doing? Running around the masjid. Oh, Allahu Akbar. Another, oh, Allahu Akbar. They've all come. Subhanallah, what was that? I caught that on camera. Something happened there. Allahu Akbar. Subhanallah. What are they doing? What are they doing? MashaAllah wa Mubarak. Say MashaAllah wa Mubarak, everybody. Let me chase them. There's the gun. They're gone over there. There they are. See the Hadrian's Gate down there? Right down here. Oh, I just missed it. Where are they? I got the zoom wrong sometimes. The zoom is wrong sometimes. There they are. Coming back. They're coming back for another round. Are they? I think they are. Yep. Allahu Akbar. Subhanallah. It's like a something's happening on this tree. There's something about this tree that they love. I don't know. Allahu Akbar. Those are the masjids we give da'wah in. Nivli Minare Jami, Tekelli Jami, and Shehzadi Jami is there. No Shehzadi, Shehzade. It's not a female. Although the females give da'wah in this one here, Tekelli Jami, mostly. And then sometimes, a few days a week, they do it in the Shehzade as well. So there are female da'is if they want to come join us as well in the da'wah. And it's gone. Just keep coming, like doing the show. Look, you can see a lot of them. So many birds. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? Allahu Akbar. I don't know, I've just noticed it this time round, even though I've been in this apartment for like a year. Anyway, anyone want to rent this apartment for a short time?